The flesh is all turned out.
Yes, he cut it once before.
Don't cut it here. The foot twisted. The scale wrapped it.
He trimmed it once roughly, but it didn't work, so the nail had to be removed. It's such a hassle, and it grows so thin.
Don't shout, or it will hurt.
Don't look at him.
Are you still afraid with me here?
This might not be directly cut off. If not cut, can it be given to Mom? Oh dear, just cut it directly. It was trimmed to a point for me first. I didn't notice. How did it end up so inflamed?
I gently fixed it for you, little one. Don't be afraid.
Is this usually cut incorrectly?
Some of them, not all need to be cut.
Get it done, completely done.
I don't want to see you in pain either, you see. There, don't cry. It doesn't hurt. You're scared. Look, it's a big piece. You see, this came from inside the broken foot. This is also inserted. There's another insertion at the root. This is left from the foot being done 3 times.
Oh.
This is from when it was cut. This and this left a mark again. This...
The more ruthless the heart, the more ruthless the cut. I'm not only ruthless, but I also cut very straight. Sisters, did you see? Hey, it didn't bleed. But sister, let me tell you, this girl's dead skin is really thick. I'm not exaggerating. I've been using this cuticle cutter until now. I have over 10 cuticle cutters at home, but I don't like using them. I only like using this one because it can cut the dead skin very cleanly. Any dead skin you see and want to cut it will snip it cleanly. And sisters, let me tell you, for this kind of cuticle nipper, once you get it, you must compare it. Others sell it with different packaging for 70 to 80, but mine sells so well because it's extremely useful. And look, I cut so deep, so much dead skin, but it doesn't bleed. I'm telling you, this cuticle nipper is handmade, so the production cycle is a bit slow, and I rarely post this video. Why? Because they don't sell enough. Being handmade, I can only get 1,000 pieces a month, which is not enough to sell. If you see me posting a video, quickly place an order because I'm really hesitant to post. The production cycle is too slow, but it's extremely useful. Every time I do a guest spot, I have to use it, so I have to film. So sisters, if you can get one, you must try it. The good cuticle nipper is this one.
You help me record right here, right? How old are you? What?
How old are you? Forgot. 10 years old. 13. Does it hurt? Look. Uncle is giving you this. Don't worry. Rest assured.
Last time. Oh my.
Wait for me.
Why does he have long nails? Now, does it hurt? Okay, you see, you didn't grow right. Does it still hurt? Look, you cried for nothing. This doesn't hurt anymore.